Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be creating this new makeup look, and if you like it, please keep on watching. That way you can see how I create this look. Now let's get started with this makeup look. Here I'm using the Hard Candy Heavy Duty Concealer in the shade Light. I'm using a blending brush to apply it on my lid. Make sure to use circular motions, that way you can get a better blending of concealer. Now I'm going to be using the James Charles times Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Now I'm going to be blending out this color right here. Make sure to always use circular motions and tapping motions for a better blending. Make sure to take your time for this blending, especially if they are darker colors. Now I'm going to be taking this shade from the palette and I'm going to be using it for my crease. Make sure when you apply that color, blend it in with the dark one. That way you can get a better blending between those two colors. Now take your time when you're blending these colors, especially because there are darker and lighter shades at the same time. Now I'm going to be taking the James Charles palette once again, and I'm going to be taking those two shades right there, and I'm going to be applying them on my eyelid. Make sure to blend a little bit the darker shade with the light one, that way you can get a better blending on those two colors. Here I'm gonna be taking those two glitters right here. One's gonna be for my eyelid and the other one is gonna be for my inner corner. This is the dual glue and I'm gonna be using it for the glitter. Here I'll be using my finger because when I use a brush I feel like it wastes a lot of glitter and most of the glitters fall off from the brush, so it's better to use your finger. I'm gonna be applying 2 coats of that same glitter on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go on with this brush and I'm gonna be applying the glue in my inner corner, and with the other brush I'm gonna be applying the glitter. Now I'm gonna be taking the James Charles palette and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Make sure to take that color and blend everything out. Here I'm gonna be taking a little bit of concealer and apply it on my bottom lid. And I'm going to be using the James Charles palette and I'm going to be applying those 2 shades in my bottom lid. So this is the way that your eyes supposed to look once they're done. And I felt like I did really good. I blend the eyeshadow as best as I can. And these glitters are super pretty. I'm going to leave the link down below so you can see where I got these glitters from. Now I'm using this moisturizing cream. This is from the brand Pond's and I'm gonna be applying it all the way in my face to prep for foundation. Here I'm taking the Kat Von D's foundation and the Better Skin from Maybelline. I'm gonna be mixing those two shades to create my shade, and I'm gonna be applying it first on the parts where I need more coverage. Now I'm gonna be using this brush to blend out all my foundation, applying it in all my face, doing it with circular motions and tapping motions for more coverage. Now here I'm gonna be applying my contour in my higher parts on my face, and I'm gonna be doing a nose contour as well. Here I'm gonna be taking my CoverGirl concealer, and I'm gonna be applying it in my T-zone for more highlight. Now I'm gonna be spraying a little bit of water, and that way I can blend a little bit better my contour and my concealer. Now I'm gonna be using the same brush I used to blend my foundation. Make sure to always take your time to blend your contour and your concealer for a better looking. Here I'm gonna be using a beauty blender to make sure everything is well set. Here I'm gonna be using my Airspun loose powder to set everything, all the concealer and the foundation and the contour. Here I'm just gonna be baking a little bit my face, especially the higher parts of my face. So I'm just applying it with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna be taking a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna be using it to remove all that powder that I just applied. Now I'm gonna be using the Cover FX face palette and I'm gonna be creating a little bit of definition on my face, putting some contour on my forehead, my cheeks, and all the higher parts of my face. Here I'm going to be using the Cover FX palette and I'm going to be applying this light highlighter on my face. Here I'm gonna be doing my dips and I'm gonna be using this light shade of lipstick, and then I'm gonna be using this matte liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna be outlining a little bit to make my lips look a little bit more bigger. And yeah. And to create that ombre look, I'm gonna be using my fingers to blend the lipstick. So I'm gonna be leaving all the stuff that I use on the link down below on the description box. That way you can go see where to get it or where to find it, and I'm gonna be leaving everything down there. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.